All right, guys, it's a new day, and today I'm gonna be walking through everything with the brand new build. Yo. All right, we're gonna go ahead and find everything that's wrong with this car. All right, so first things off the bat, off driving it home, I noticed, other than it being a little dirty, is the e-brake needs to be swapped out. Look here, it's split. I think I went on eBay and saw this for $11, as well as the center console armrest is missing and looks like this currently. So I'm gonna just throw that out. This kind of lifting and looks ugly, so I'm gonna sand that down, make that smooth, pull this whole entire thing off. It looks like it comes off in 2 different pieces. Also looks like it's lifted over here and it's flared out over here. Maybe it's just been sitting in the heat too long, and it's also 13 years old, so maybe that just needs to get swapped out, if anything. H is kind of old. Can you see that? Has yellow on it, so I gotta get the red H's for that. I did notice this guy doesn't work, so I have the keys in here. Bam! Team DDR, baby. That loud noise that you hear is the exhaust leak, because the donut is missing. I'm gonna fix that soon. And the check engine light is from the knock sensor on the block needing to be replaced. Hopefully this is just a switch, because I don't hear anything. Yeah, I can't hear anything. So we'll check that switch first. Headliner's a little dirty, but I've never done a headliner, but I probably will. Sorry, I'm super sweaty. Las Vegas is Las Vegas and it's hot. Really love this dash setup. I like the pocket over here. I like the pocket over here. The knob's really nice, to be honest. Seats look good. Everything looks good. I don't see anything missing. Cool. We actually have a Bluetooth mic. These are super ugly though. How dated does that look? Super dated. We could turn this off. Rear looks good. Car drove pretty straight too. Oh. The cowl. If you look at it, that needs to be replaced. That's cracked. That also is exposed. Oh, does this just have a piece that's supposed to be lifted up, and then from age it just cracks off? Windshield wipers work fine. It's missing the visors, so I'm just gonna rip all of these off, put new ones on. Don't know what happened here, but that looks funky. It looks like bubbles too. Maybe he had like covers or something, but you can also just wrap the pillars before I put on these guys, so that looks good. So you need to wrap that, wrap the pillars, wrap the trunk. Looks pretty easy, I hope. Emblems look really ugly. They spray painted them for some reason, and I'll be taking those off. The SI needs to be replaced. Got some oxidation going on here that I didn't notice. Other than that, I think that's it. Oh, rear bumper's jank though. Got to replace that. And you know, the body is, I'd give the body like a 5 out of 10. Got little dings and dents, but for 13 years old, I can't complain. The VTEC is coming off. And that's pretty much it for the bay. It's just a stock bay. So I definitely went and cleaned it up as much as I could, and it looks pretty nice. Oh, I need a battery too, because that's Kai's. Yeah, I'm really glad that I cleaned it up beforehand, and we'll be doing a lot to this bay down the road. Not right now, but down the road. Also, oh yeah, the AC. AC needs a recharge, or maybe it just hasn't been driven, needs to cycle a little bit, but yeah, other than that, looks like a stock SI. But yeah, that's it. Let's just hop to the first thing we got on today's menu, and that's to get the interior nicely detailed. Let's get it. I got a little excited. It was dark last night, so camera quality was kind of trash, but as you can see, I already have my vacuum down. We did get one side of the car because I had to. It was really hot though, but we're gonna go hook up some fans and knock out the other side. So I do need to get a little kick panel there. You know, I was going in there with the brush attachment, cleaning everything, wiping down everything. It's not bad. Definitely not bad. So yeah, we're gonna go throw it on the tripod, start today's cleanup, because car needs to get some love. It looks a lot better on camera than it does in real life. All right, just saying. But definitely gonna wrap that. All right, time lapse, guys. Well, damn, it's really hot, but we finished the inside. At least it's pretty good, I'd say. We just got to do the carpets that I put on the floor on both sides, and then we'll check it out. All right, I'm gonna knock these out real quick. All right, guys, so we are currently just on the last mat, and yeah, I just want to show you guys a trick for how to get rid of these guys. So as you can see, this has a lot of hair. I already kind of hit that, but there's tons of hair because these mats are, what, 13 years old. So all you gotta do, grab a lighter, burn those bad boys off, you know what I'm saying? Boom, it's good as new. And the car is dirty as hell, but that's the interior. It's the first thing I like doing whenever I get in a car. I mean, when it comes to these builds that I love to do, you guys probably like to do just as much visual. You know, a lot of it is visual, then it's the enjoyment of driving it. But when you hop into the car, the first thing you do is you see the interior. So, I mean, the exterior can be as beat as you want, even on the Prius. The exterior isn't clean all the time, especially as a daily. Same with the Miata. But on my cars, I love fresh interiors. I mean, that's the first thing I do, first thing I go through, and that's what you'll be seeing first thing on the channel, as well as getting on everything else. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. I'm so hyped. Car's brand new, looking brand new. Just need to give it a wash and the car will feel great. It'll look great. A little bit of fixes here and there. And yeah, you guys should have seen the video where I went through everything that we fixed. And that's it. Hit that like button, all right? Subscribe. Stay tuned for more. This build's gonna be a long process. I love Hondas. I love Honda builds. And they're my passion. So yeah, if you guys want to see more, hit the subscribe button. And I'll see you guys next time.